Greetings and blessings. Thank you guys for joining Master Chef Nan in the Kitchen Lab for more flavored and seasoned recipes. Today I'm going to make some Tuscan chicken. And these are our ingredients. I'm going to tell you guys how much of each I use because I did not take the time to write this recipe down. It just came to my mind. And also, these are my seasoning mixes I used. I used some Badia Complete and some onion powder, garlic pepper seasoning, ground white pepper, and garlic powder. So let's get started. Alright guys, our skillet is nice and hot. It's on medium. I'm going to add some grapeseed oil in here in the skillet to saute our chicken in. Okay, we're going to put our chicken in here. I have some chicken thighs, some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. So I'm just going to put it in nice and hot. Alright you guys, so I'm going to cook like 7 of these chicken thighs, and I got 4 in the pan at one time. I turn my skillet up just a tad bit, and you're going to cook these on each side for about 4 minutes. And I'm just going to put some seasoning mix on top because I want to season each layer of my dish. Alright guys, we're going to flip our chicken. Yep, let me get my spatula. Let's flip this. Again, we're going to season the other side as well. Do a nice crust on both sides. Alright, we're going to remove our chicken thighs. And we're going to add these back to the pan once we get everything else in the pan here. We're just sauteing them on both sides, getting them cooked fairly through. Alright, we're going to add our second batch. These are nice size chicken thighs.
I take good ones.
Yeah, you did. I love chicken thighs. They be nice and juicy.
Oh, yeah.
And we're just going to season these and let them saute 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, take the next batch out. We done flipped it already off camera.
And season it, of course.
Yes, sir. And we're going to put our mushrooms in here next. And we need all that goodness on the bottom. Got coconut milk in here with it to loosen up the stuff at the bottom. And this was a cup of coconut milk and a cup of mushrooms. Ooh, splashed everywhere. Oh my goodness. Okay, I got out a little bits off the bottom here. Our sauce simmered a little bit, just a couple minutes. I'm putting in 4 ounces of Velveeta queso and let that melt. And I'm going to put in also 4 ounces of cream cheese and let that melt down. Okay, while this is simmering down, I'm putting my spinach in here. I have 2 cans of spinach. You can use fresh spinach if you want. And I'm just going to mix this until well incorporated. Alright guys, and I'm going to take my seasoning mixture here, the rest of my seasoning mixture, and put it in my skillet. And I put 1 teaspoon of the Badia. I put 1 teaspoon of the garlic pepper seasoning salt stuff. And then I put a half a teaspoon of the rest, and then 1/4 teaspoon of the white pepper. Then we're going to add our chicken back into our pan here. With all the juices. And then we're just gonna get this all in here happy together and let this simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes with the lid on. Make sure you have a lid on this. Let this simmer for 8 to 10 minutes, you guys, with the lid on. Make sure you have a lid on this so your chicken can finish cooking through. Alright guys, it's been simmering about 10 minutes. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Please let me know what I can make next. And thank you guys for rocking with Master Chef and in the Kitchen Lab for more flavor and seasoned recipes. Look at that cream. I turned the stove off, it's still kind of hot. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and give us a thumbs up. Blessings. Oh, taste and see.